Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to export and import settings on 3Dconnexion CadMouse Compact wireless. If you set up some certain settings, sometimes they get really complicated with like the buttons, the macros that you can set up, or maybe some other settings. You can export them and import them to a different computer, or just export them for backup. So if you change anything later, then you can import the old settings back. I think it's pretty useful, especially in professional environments. Go to 3Dconnexion Home, then go to Settings. Now go to More, and you can export settings. Now you can select configurations to export. I don't have any, so I'll just like mess up a few things on the mouse, and then you'll see all the things. Now you can see there are the different configurations here, like the global, the one that I've set for OBS, and some shared CFG, whatever it means. You can also export button configuration only, or unselect some from here. Click on OK. Now select where you want to save those. So I'll go to maybe the desktop. I'm using a different mouse right now because this one is like I think I've changed too much on the mouse. Let's save it on the desktop. Yeah, there's something wrong with the mouse right now. It's not how it should be. I'll try to fix it. Well, I didn't do anything here. That's the problem. But yeah, if you want to import those settings later, go to More, then Import Settings, and select the file that you want to import settings from. Click on Open. You can see I have no configuration change, but if you had any, like between the XML that was exported and between the current one that's like current configuration, then you'll see some. You can click on OK and it's exported. I'll actually reset all settings of the mouse because something's wrong. Yeah, now it's right. And I hope that this video was helpful. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.